Morning, Adam.
Morning, Russell.
I need to assess the white of this.
Okay, how are you going to go about that?
So obviously I need daylight, D65,
Okay,
but I need to get my suppression filter.
well, hold on. I think there's actually a feature built into the UltraView. So if you go to the UV toggle feature, you're actually doing what a suppression filter does, but it's built into the light source now.
Show me.
Yeah, sure. So if you hold down the light source, it goes into the UV toggle feature, and it indicates that the UV content is present by having the UV band around the actual light source there. If I then tap that, it's actually taking that UV out of the light source. It's unique to the UltraView. That's the UV on, and actually taking that out of the light source. You can see that acts as the actual suppressor that you would traditionally use in a light booth.
UV off, UV on. A typical suppression filter. So switch the UV off. I can see the surrounding colour. Yes. So we don't need that anymore.
So it does exactly the same job.
Perfect. Okay, Adam, let's have a look under ultraviolet.
Yeah, well, this ultraviolet's a little bit different from what you're used to using your traditional CAC cabinet, where you would use a black light and that would saturate the product with a fluorescent glow that's coming off all the other lamps within the booth. We've actually got a filtered technology on here which only shows the optical brightener in the product you're looking at. So let's just have a quick look at that. So that is now just the product illuminated. Everything else in the booth is not being forced by any visible wavelengths of the light source. So if you take that sample out, Russell, you can actually see that it is only the optical brightener within the product that's fluorescing. You put that in and it's straight away it's lighting up.